Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Wallace rule of 9. So this is done in terms of the burns, and it is calculate the total burn surface area. So now let's look at each body part. Before that, there is a diagram which can be easier to understand further. So this diagram has to be memorized. So we have the hand, then the upper body and the lower limbs. So here the legs will be 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9. Then there's a division of the upper and the lower part. So this is again 9 plus 9, this is 9 plus 9. And so everywhere it is 9 plus 9, but the arm as a whole is 9. This is very important. The arm as a whole is 9. This is the only exception. Next, when you're looking at the face and the head and the neck, this is also 9. This is also an exception. So here there is 9. So there are only 3 places where there is 9. That is the head and both the upper limbs together. Whereas the rest of the compartments, it is 9 plus 9. That is front and the back. 9 plus 9 front and the back. So this is a very important diagram to know. So now let's look at the head and the neck. So head and the neck totally amounts to 9%. The right upper limb is 9%. The left upper limb, it is also 9%. Next is the anterior chest. Anterior chest is 9%. Then when we look at the upper back is 9%. Then the anterior abdomen, it is 9%. So when you are looking at the total here as of now, it is 54%. So now looking at the other half, the lower back, next is, this is about 9%. Then the right thigh, lower back is 9%. The right thigh is about 9%. Next is the left thigh. The left thigh amounts to 9%. Then the right leg amounts to 9%. The left leg amounts to 9% as a whole. Next is the genitals. The genitals, if you see, it is amounts to only 1%. So in total, all this, it amounts to 46%, and previously what we saw was other half, it was 54%. So totally we get about 100%. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.